Hey, so today we're out here and it is the middle of, well, actually, take that back, it's the 1st of February. And so the 1st of February, what kind of weeds do we typically have? We have these particular weeds right here. This particular weed right here is henbit. Henbit is a winter weed. It comes up in the winter season. Usually it starts germinating in late fall. It and its friends called poana and clover and a number of other aggravating pesky winter weeds. So if you're in February and you're looking out in your yard and it's green, you probably have weeds, just kind of so you know. This particular one right here, it can be taken out with a post-emergent herbicide and a pre-emergent herbicide. But these, along with a few of those other ones, these look really, this is a weed and most people don't want it in the yard. But if you go out to a pasture or field and you get a field that's covered completely in purple henbit and it's in full bloom, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've seen some photos of people have taken out in those areas. So it may be a weed in your yard, but somebody thinks it's pretty. If you need some help with the weeds, your grass is green in January or February, give us a call and let us help you out.